Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a stylized bat. So let's start by drawing the top of its head with a shallow curve, and then we're going to curve up for the ear with a line that goes out, and we'll draw the other side. Now let's finish off this ear by going down and curving over to meet right here in the middle. Down, and then start curving it in right there in the middle, and we'll do the same here. Curve down to meet in the middle. So now we'll draw the inside of the ears with ovals. Like that, and do the same here. So the outer lines of the oval are basically parallel with the outline. Next we'll draw a nose. We'll just make this a black nose and color that in. And a couple circles for the eyes. One here and another one right here. Next we'll draw what looks like a bib. So let's start here at the bottom first and just draw a U-shaped line, and then we're going to draw continuous lines here, scallop lines that go up here. So let's actually just start right here first. Go out first and curve in and scallop it so that it will basically form an outline that's kind of like a U shape here. It'll be a curve. So another one, kind of make it a little bit bigger, and one more right there, and we'll do the same over here. Okay, let's draw the tail right here with a long U shape, and then on either side will be these legs. So from here, let's just stick out, go out a little bit, and then go down, and then come out for the foot, and then back up. So let's see where it needs to go over here, and just draw a line going down. Again, get the foot sticking out, and then go up. Alright, let's draw the arms, which then form the wings. So from the base of the ear here, we'll just go out with the line first, and then this line's gonna have a slight curve that goes up to the elbow area. And let's just go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So another curve. So when I'm drawing something that's symmetrical, what I like to try to draw is the left side first. So like right here, I drew this side first, so then I can look at it while I draw this other side to try to make it as even as I can. If I started with this first and then I tried to draw the left, look what happens. I cover up my reference, and then it's much harder to make it look the same. Okay, so again, we're gonna go back to the left side. We're gonna curve the corner here, and then a slight curve that goes upward like that. Okay, now I have that reference line like I was mentioning. I'm gonna go out, looks like I'm gonna go out to about here. Okay, next we're gonna start rounding out the end and then start coming back as a parallel line. Not quite all the way, and then it's gonna go down this way. Again, slight curve, round out the end, and it's gonna go back, and a third, maybe right about here, and back, And now we can finish this arm. So notice I drew these two just a little bit thinner than the main arm. So now we can finish this arm. Just a parallel line and back to the body. Alright, so again, let's do this side. Okay, so looks like we need to go right about up to here. So let's draw a slight curved line. And then this one goes down to here. And finish off this arm. Alright, so finally we can just connect the tips of the wing. Start drawing in the webbing. So just curved lines. And then this one goes down to the leg. And we'll do the same on this side. Okay, finally we'll draw the tail end. And we're pretty much done. What I'm going to do now is outline this with my thicker Sharpie. So there you go. This was a bat, a stylized bat. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.